Hey, Video School Online Course Masters, Phil Ebner here with Sam Shimizu-Jones and Will Carnahan. He is way overexposed over there, and we are on set for the Photography Masterclass 2.0 shoot, and I just wanted to walk through the setup that we have in my garage studio. It's pretty intense, and it's also a good example of how you can get a really clean, that really white, pure white background look with a few lights. You will need more lights than just for a normal shoot to get this look, and let's go through it. So we are walking into this little sound booth kind of setup.
What up?
Because I'm still figuring out how to reduce as much echo as possible. There's still like flat walls and flat ceilings that cause a lot of echo. So what I've done is got two sort of soundproofing foam rolls, and to be honest, these are just mattress toppers, and it's literally the exact same thing that you would get as a soundproofing foam, but it's cheaper and bigger. And I just have them on either side of the camera so that when we're speaking, it's kind of preventing our voice from bouncing off the walls and the garage door on either side. I've also added this blanket down here, which does a little bit of work too, just because not only does it reduce the reverb of our voice, but there's actually a lot of outdoor noise, which is another issue I didn't really realize. There's a freeway that's not too far, but on a windy day, you can really actually hear it if the wind's blowing towards my house. So with the lighting setup that we have, we're using 4 lights right now. 2 are actually just shining on the white wall. And so if you're looking, even with me right now, you have a pretty clean white backdrop, but with our camera that we're using, it's even cleaner. But we're using these 2 lights that are literally just to make the background white. If we didn't have these lights pointing at the background, and we were just shining lights on us as we are being filmed, the background would not be white enough to get that nice clean look. And it's actually something I recommend against trying to even do, because trying to get that white clean background look is really hard unless you have extra lights to use. We've also got our 2 big lights here that are lighting the subject who's speaking. One is bigger and brighter than the other, so there is a little bit of contrast. It's hard for you to see right now, but there's more light coming from this side of my face than this side. So not always having perfectly even lighting is actually a good thing. We've got a boom microphone set up right there, or the shotgun mic. And that's nice because as Sam, Will, and I are just popping in to film our different portions of the class, we don't have to plug in or change our lavalier microphones or anything like that. We just raise and lower it because I'm short and they're tall, and it's much quicker to film with that. Let's go over to the camera setup. Will and Sam have been working hard. I mean, this class is going to be very long. It's 30 sections, and I don't know how long the end of the class is going to be, but definitely more than 10 hours, maybe closer to 15 or 20 hours of class content. And one thing that has really helped make us more efficient and sped it up is using the teleprompter. So here we have the teleprompter hooked up in front of our camera. We're using the Smart Prompt application for iPad, which allows you to scroll through, set a scroll speed. There is a voice activation thing that wasn't working as well for us today, but just putting in that pre-production work of writing scripts, even though it was a lot of work up front, it makes filming so much faster. I mean, we've been shooting, today it's our first day of shooting, and we're probably getting, at least half of the course done in a single day in terms of just talking head stuff that's going to be in front of this white backdrop, not a lot of the demonstration stuff that we have to film. So that's pretty much it. I'm using my new Canon C100 camera, which is pretty nice, a lot better than a DSLR camera. I know a lot of you won't have the option to film with a camera like that, but that's nice. And yeah, it's awesome that the 3 of us are here, because while 2 of us are filming, the other is working on post-production already, organizing, setting up the Premiere Pro project file so we can get to work editing, and that's about it. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
All right, if you have any questions about the setup or anything we're doing, let me know. Photography Masterclass 2.0 will be dropping maybe, I think, April. So you can look forward to that. Awesome, guys. Hopefully you have a great day. Bye.